Language is the roadmap of a culture. It tells you where its people come from and where they are going.
Hey, Freya. How's your English learning journey going?
Honestly, Bill, it's harder than I thought. I just can't seem to expand my vocabulary effectively.
I totally get that. But hey, I've got some tips that might help. First, have you tried reading more?
Reading? Like novels and stuff?
Exactly. Novels, articles, blogs, anything that interests you. When you read, you learn new words in context, which makes them easier to remember.
That makes sense. What else?
This is my vocabulary journal. I write down new words I come across, along with their meanings and example sentences.
That's a great idea. Does it really help?
Absolutely. It's like creating your own personal dictionary. Plus, reviewing it regularly really cements those words in your memory.
I need to start doing that. But what about speaking? I feel so self-conscious when I try to speak English.
The key is practice, Sam. I used to chat with native speakers online. Websites for language exchange are great for that.
But what if I make mistakes?
That's the best part. Making mistakes is how you learn, and most people are super understanding and helpful.
That's reassuring. And listening, movies, and music?
You're on the right track. I watch a lot of English TV shows and movies, but with English subtitles on. It helps me catch words I might miss otherwise.
I love watching movies. I'll try that.
Here's to making learning fun and effective.
Great, and thanks, Bill. So we talked about vocabulary. What about speaking? I feel that's where I struggle the most.
Speaking is crucial, Freya. It's all about practice and confidence. One great way is to practice with native speakers.
Native speakers? How do I find them?
There are tons of language exchange websites. You can chat with native speakers who want to learn your language. It's a win-win. And don't forget about local language clubs or meetups.
That sounds doable. But what if I'm too shy to start a conversation?
That's where mimicry and shadowing come in. Watch this. You listen to a native speaker and try to mimic their way of speaking. The tone, the pace, everything.
Like acting.
Exactly. Shadowing is similar. You listen to something in English and then immediately repeat it. It's like following a shadow.
I can do that while watching my favorite shows.
Speaking of shows, let's talk about listening skills. They're key for understanding and communication.
Go on.
Immerse yourself in English media. Listen to podcasts, music, watch movies, or even YouTube channels in English.
But sometimes I find it hard to catch every word.
That's where transcripts and subtitles come in. If you're watching a show, turn on the English subtitles, or if it's a podcast, find the transcript. It helps you follow along and understand better.
That's something I can start right away. Watching movies and understanding them better? Count me in.
And the more you listen, the better your speaking gets too. It's all interconnected.
Thanks, Bill. You've given me so many great ideas. I feel more confident about improving my English already.
Here's to your journey to becoming a fluent English speaker. Before we wrap up, let's do a fun, interactive exercise for our viewers. How about a mini quiz on the new vocabulary we discussed today?
Sounds great. I'm ready.
All right, viewers, join us. I'll say a word, and Freya here will give the meaning. Try to answer before Freya does. Let's go. First word, immersion.
Immersion? Isn't it like completely engaging yourself in something?
Correct! Immersing yourself in the English language is key. Next word, mimicry.
That's easy. It's copying the way someone speaks.
Perfect. Now let's do a quick repeat after me exercise. I'll say a sentence and both Freya and you, viewers, repeat after me. Practicing English every day improves fluency.
Practicing English every day improves fluency.
Great job, everyone!
That was fun and helpful.
So, to summarize, expanding your vocabulary, practicing speaking with natives, and immersing yourself in English media are key steps to improving your English skills.
And don't forget to practice regularly and use the tools we discussed today.
Exactly. And remember, making mistakes is part of learning. Don't be afraid to try.
And we'd love to hear about your progress. Subscribe to our channel, English for Tomorrow. Like this video and comment below with your experiences or questions.
Before we go, remember that "The limits of my language are the limits of my world" by Ludwig Wittgenstein suggests that our understanding of the world is shaped and confined by the language we speak. Essentially, the more language we know, the broader our perception and understanding of the world becomes. It highlights the importance of language in shaping our experiences, thoughts, and perspectives. In the context of learning English, this quote inspires the idea that expanding your language skills is akin to expanding your world.
Keep practicing and see you in the next video. Bye for now and happy learning!
See you soon and have a great day!